For over a century, Einstein's theories have shaped our understanding of space, time, and gravity. They predicted black holes, the bending of starlight, and the orbits of planets, ideas confirmed time and again. But mysteries remain. What is dark energy? What happened before the Big Bang? We see the effects of dark matter but can't find it. The universe expands faster and faster, driven by something we don't understand. These aren't failures. They're invitations to look deeper. Science is a relentless quest for better answers, not a collection of unchanging facts. When theories hit their limits, we propose new ideas and test them. The flux theory is one such idea, not erasing Einstein, but building on it. It suggests space, time, and gravity are not fundamental, but emerge from something deeper. Imagine the universe as waves on an ocean, different behaviors, one underlying substance. Flux theory asks us to see time, energy, and matter as expressions of a single fundamental entity. This shift could unlock the universe's deepest mysteries. So what is flux? In this theory, flux isn't just a flow, it's the very fabric of existence. Think of a digital image, zoom in, and you find pixels. The universe, flux theory says, is built from tiny units of flux. Matter, energy, and space are just different arrangements of this flux. There's no empty stage. Everything from stars to the vacuum is woven from the same thread. A dense region of flux appears as a particle. A uniform region is empty space. A ripple is energy. Instead of juggling many particles and forces, we start with one substance. The universe becomes a symphony played on a single instrument. All complexity, from galaxies to life, arises from the ways flux arranges and interacts. It's a profound shift, a universe of one thing expressing itself in countless forms. Flux theory radically simplifies our cosmic picture. It invites us to see unity beneath all diversity. Flux theory redefines time, not as a dimension, but as the measure of change. If nothing changed, time would be meaningless. Time emerges from the ceaseless shifting of flux. Every tick, every heartbeat, every orbit is a rearrangement of flux. Time is just our label for this universal sequence of events. This view explains why time moves forward. Change has a natural direction. When we see starlight, we're not looking back through time, but witnessing a ripple in flux that's traveled across the cosmos. Time is the story of change, not a road we travel. A theory needs more than ideas, it needs equations. Flux theory stands on three core equations. The first, flux density. Mass is just a region of highly concentrated flux, like a soaked sponge is heavier than a dry one. The second, flux interaction. Changes in flux density create ripples, energy, traveling at a universal speed limit, the speed of light. The third, flux geometry. Dense flux distorts the surrounding field, curving the fabric of flux. This is gravity. Imagine a bowling ball on a trampoline. The curve guides marbles nearby. Gravity isn't a pull, but a path through warped flux. These equations connect mass, energy, and gravity as different faces of flux. They echo Einstein's predictions, but root them in a physical medium. The speed of light is the speed of flux ripples, the speed of causality. Gravity is geometry, not force. The universe's rules become simple, elegant, and unified. Flux theory translates cosmic mysteries into a new testable language. Flux theory reframes gravity and light. Gravity isn't a force, but a shadow cast by mass. Objects follow the easiest path through distorted flux. The sun's gravity is strong because its flux density carves a deep valley in the field. Gravity is weak because it's a large-scale geometric effect, not a direct interaction. Light is a ripple in the flux, moving at a speed set by the flux's properties. Just as sound speed depends on air, nothing can travel faster than a flux ripple. The theory even suggests our universe could have formed from a black hole in another universe, a burst of flux expanding into a new reality. The Big Bang becomes a phase transition in flux. If flux theory is right, it could revolutionize technology and our understanding of reality. Matter and antimatter might be different spins of flux, solving cosmic asymmetries. Manipulating flux could unlock limitless energy from empty space. Information encoded in flux could create unbreakable security. Any tampering would disturb the message. Dark energy might be the flux's natural tendency to expand, not a mysterious force. Whether proven or not, flux theory pushes us to question, imagine, and seek truth. Reality may be far simpler and stranger than we ever dreamed.